Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be taking a look at the F major scale on the trumpet. Now before we get started, I just want to say if you learned something from this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. So first, I will be playing the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is how the F major scale sounds on the trumpet. So that is what it sounds like, and now for the tutorial. So this scale starts off with the note F, which is played 1. The next note is G, which is played open. The next note is A, which is played 1, 2. The next note is B flat, which is played 1. The next note is C, which is played open. The next note is D, which is played 1. The next note is E, which is played open. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is F, which is played again as 1. So one last time, this is how the F major scale sounds on the trumpet. If you guys like that video, and until next time, see ya.